I'd never expected to find a place like this right in the middle of Bangkok. Once you walk through the entrance, the city just seems to disappear. This is Baan Suan Sathon, and it's one of those places where you don't feel like you have to rush. You can just wander around and take it all in. Every path leads somewhere different. There's water, tropical plants, and this beautiful mist drifting through the gardens. It really does feel like a little rainforest. I found myself stopping every few minutes just to look around. There are so many little details. Every corner seems to have something different to photograph. The food was every bit as impressive as the surroundings. Fresh, beautifully presented, and definitely worth taking your time over. And inside, it's warm and relaxed. Big windows look straight out into the gardens, so even when you're sitting down, you still feel connected to nature. It's not just one cafe. As you wander around, you'll find a few different cafes and even a couple of little bars hidden throughout the garden. Sometimes the most memorable destinations aren't the busiest ones, they're the places that invite you to slow down.